Hey guys, Chmelaeon.com, doing a review of the SodaStream Fizzi. This is a pretty cool model. It actually comes with the soda making machine and then 3 bottles, so it doesn't just come with one. And it has a CO2 canister, so you can actually get right into the action. It is earth friendly, fewer empties to recycle or throw away, less manufacturing, less transportation. It's the #1 sparkling water brand in the world. Easy snap lock bottle insertion turns water into sparkling water in seconds. It's pretty cool stuff. And here's what's on the back. What's included: a Fizzi sparkling water maker, which is the machine itself, the SodaStream 60L, I think that might mean liter, CO2 cylinder, and 3 reusable carbonating bottles. Okay, so you fill it, you fizz it, you enjoy it. Pretty awesome. Less lugging, less storage, less empties, and of course, these are BPA-free bottles. Always nice to have, especially with carbonated stuff. And that's pretty much it. So I'm going to show you what's inside this thing. Show you what's going on. So here's the open package, okay? You got 3 of the bottles, very clear and crisp. They're plastic, but they're high quality, and they got these nice screw-on tops, which is cool. And then I assume that's where it goes in. Pretty neat. Just put it right on there. Good to go. Also, here's a warning. I gotta tell you, this is nice though. It's plastic, but it feels pretty solid. The CO2 canister, of course, is metal. And then here's the safety and warranty information. So this thing comes with a warranty. I think what I read in here was 24 months or 2 years. Don't quote me on buying yours, but that's basically it. Cool soda making machine. Save money over buying bottles. And is more eco-friendly, of course. And then here's the other. So you take that off. You put that on. CO2 goes in the back. Fill your bottle with water. Put it in. Add a little syrup. And you're good to go. So that's pretty much it. SodaStream Fizzi. Available on Amazon.com, where you have the link below to buy this bad boy. And also, Chmelaeon.com has all sorts of cool home improvement and kitchen stuff, so be sure to check that out as well. Chmelaeon.com, out.